That should be enough. It's gonna move a lot, but so gonna take the, I need the 1/2 inch 19. Grabbed the wrong one. So like I already told you guys, we're back here again for the 30,000th fucking time to do this, you joking me, dude? Where is the fucking 19? Whatever. So as I said, we're fucking here again to replace the steering shaft. And I've done this so many goddamn times. I'm so sick of coming to do this. Jesus fucking Christ. There we go. I fucking wrenched those on. Okay. We're kind of working on mic placement. Still trying to figure out this whole new system. So today, rain or shine, that fucking thing's coming off. And that new one is going on. Okay. Now that the tire's loose, let's get this car up. I should probably rip the e-brake, eh? There we go. So with that lifted, honestly, let's just rip the e-brake. I know I should have done it before. Am I recording? Yeah, just wanted to make sure. Stupid question, I know, but it's like 1,000 degrees today. It's gonna be a crazy hair day for me very soon. My jack is sinking. Okay, tire. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Not in the... Dude, I will smash you. Yeah. So I haven't taken the nut off yet, but that's just like a 2-second thing.
You got the bolt in.
No, that's what I mean, the nut, the bolt, whatever, same thing. That's the only thing I gotta do, but that comes out,
No, but the bolt comes out.
easy. Like that's always been easy. I haven't put the jack because I wasn't sure where you wanted it yet.
Just under the knuckle there, because you'll want to straighten it out.
We want to bring the whole suspension up.
Yeah, on the same. But you might not have to do it. We'll try this first. That's just in case you need to move it.
Yeah.
Right?
So I gotta just undo the bolt on that side, and then you can see if you can do it.
No, I was just saying if you couldn't get the bolt out, you could put the hammer against the bolt.
See, that's why I couldn't believe it was so hard to get off. It's because the bolt just always came off so easy. It's probably either a 10 or a 15. Honestly, my gut's saying 14 for some reason.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So pretty much the huge fuck up here was letting my uncle use the air hammer on the steering rack itself, and it caused a pretty sizable dent. And maybe I'll be able to show you that to you guys later. Just fucking moving a little bit.
Just trying to get it pushed up enough so it'll come off the end of the steering rack.
Are we gonna be able to put the other one on easier than this one came off?
Go on? Yeah. Because you'll be able to clean it before you put it on. Right?
Now that it's so loose, I bet you the steering wheel part will collapse in.
That's what it's looking like. And I'm going to feed this through the hole.
Then I just have to meet that to the end.
Put it where it's supposed to be.
I pulled it from the side that's facing you, yeah.
Okay. That's what I asked. You have, can you apply a little more weight maybe?
Downwards?
Yeah.
Wonder what Nan's doing for dinner. Kind of fucking hungry. Probably just go buy some. Let's skip that outside. So now that we actually have it in, and I have the steering wheel screwed in, whatever, I'm not going to be technical at this point, we can't get this to go in. Not on my uncle's HHR, the orange one, and not on mine. So that's going to have to be like a later short, and we're going to have to solve that for both vehicles. Let's move on, I guess, to just dropping the car pretty much, because both bolts are in.
You can go up at least until 20 or 30.
Get some research?
Well, because that's what the plug's made.
Oh.
It'll go up to at least 20 or 30 psi, if not more, right? I'm considering taking my car's tires down to 20.
Mine are all low. I have to fill all of them.
What are they at?
I don't know, but low enough that they're like when I turn the corner, they roll a bit. So they're gonna keep me if I don't do something about it.
You sure that's not because they're up too high?
High being pressure-wise.
Yeah, because if they're low, what happens is your tire flattens out more on the...
That's what's happening in the corner, yes. And it's kind of rolling the tread a bit. It's not skipping.
Yeah, and I figure, you know how, maybe it's because I didn't Loctite, that's way where Lincoln lost a nut, right?
I didn't Loctite any of mine.
No, it's just, remember how I told you it kind of sways to the right? Well, that might be the sway bar leg.
Oh, the car?
Yeah, when you're curving to the right, it doesn't feel like it hits the ground right away. It feels like it slips a little bit, and when you're turning left, it feels fine. And if that's the sway bar link, then that's the whole problem with the tires.
Yeah, I was bringing it up a bit more. Yeah, no, I'm not. Lower it before. Yeah, see all that? It's crazy how much you rusted, dude. We just did that.
Yeah, so remember, when you have that stuff.
It's only like 16 bucks.
Yeah. You should lower it.
I should. But if I lower it too much, then it'll be a tread.
Just put another one. Put one on, and it'll stop it from going on. Then you can worry about putting the opposite one on tight. Not that. Put the bottom one on tight.
Yeah, I could cause them to stretch and tear.
Oh shit.
That's what I meant by stretch and tear.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't remember the word.
Well, stretch is.
What's up, guys? So pretty much I just wanted to thank you for watching this video per usual, and you know, I know I haven't been uploading as much. Things have been kind of crazy. I got a new mic system actually, and that's amazing, and that's what I was using for this video. So I'm kind of getting the hang of it still. I do really like it. It's by Newer. Let's see if I can get you to see it. I've got a couple of their lights systems and a couple other things like that. It's the, it'll work. There you go. CM28, if I can stay still for 2 seconds. And it's a really nice system. Actually, I'm actually really happy with it. So that's what was doing the audio for this video, and that's what's going to be doing the audio for all future videos, which is amazing. So we got that kind of audio problem fixed, and now I'm just kind of getting the flow of everything and getting back into it. The HHR is kind of almost done, and I'm looking at getting something new soon. That's pretty much the gist. I wish I had more eloquent way of saying things, and I pretty much just wanted to update you guys. Jesus Christ, and thank you for checking it. So I appreciate it. See you guys soon.